4 reasons you need black windows for your home. Dear friends, most homeowners often choose white or lighter colors for their windows frames and sashes. To make your windows seamlessly stand out, you may want to consider black. It is a timeless, sophisticated color that adds depth to an understated room. This has been an ongoing home trend for years and is loved by interior designers and homeowners alike. This video shares 4 benefits of incorporating black windows in your home. 1. They add drama to your space. When paired with white walls, dark window frames, sashes, and trim can energize your living spaces. If you want to add drama to your home or try something more daring, you can never go wrong with these bold windows. They catch the attention of anyone walking inside the room and help draw the eye upwards. They work best in rooms where you plan to entertain guests or in any living space where you want to showcase its high ceilings. 2. They make a statement. Do you want to decorate your room but don't want to go all out with the decor or artwork? A window with black trim can be the ideal choice for you because it makes the whole window the focal point of the space, especially when set against a light-colored background. The dark outline of the black trim defines the window's shape, accentuating it further. To achieve the best look, consider leaving it bare, no curtains or drapes, but only if privacy isn't a concern. 3. They frame outdoor views. If you have a gorgeous outdoor view, you can show them off with large black windows. Their frames help highlight your windows and your picturesque view. As mentioned earlier, dark colors on windows help capture the eyes of the viewer, which helps move the attention away from unattractive areas around your home. Also, since your windows are constantly exposed to the sun, it's a good idea to have black windows to counter the daylight. 4. They hide imperfections. Black windows not only highlight beautiful outdoor views but also help hide imperfections such as baseboard scuff marks. Unlike lighter shades, you don't have to worry about keeping your windows scuff-free. This is extremely beneficial for homeowners with kids or pets. It's worth noting, however, that dust is more visible on black, so it's best to keep them clean at all times. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.